Hey everybody, this is Halstead and Andrew McMillan with REH CPA. I want to talk about what if you can't file your tax return by the April 15th tax deadline. Not the end of the world. I got Andrew McMillan here with me today to talk about what you need to do if you, for some reason, can't make that April 15th tax deadline.
Yeah, so if you can't make the deadline, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to file an extension. So it's very easy to do. You can do it online on the IRS's website. A lot of people just choose to mail in a form. It's a form 4868, and that is the extension form. It's very easy to fill out, but we really highly recommend just if you're going to fill out that form and do a paper mailed extension, always mail it certified because you want to make sure you have a record of that extension being filed with the IRS. So if you can't file by April 15th, make sure that you get an extension filed for yourself by filing a form 4868 that you can mail to the IRS, and that is going to extend your individual tax return due date to October 15th.
Yeah, I do want to mention that, reminder everybody that it's an extension to file, not an extension to pay. So if you owe money, then you have to pay, you still have to pay by April 15th. If not, Andrew?
Yeah, for sure. So that's it's kind of a misconception out there that if you file an extension, it extends everything, the ability to the time to pay and the time to file the return, but that's not true. So, because if it was, everybody would do it. So, if you are going to file an extension, we always, recommend at least understanding what your tax situation is going to be, at least at a high level. Like, do you think you're going to owe? Do you owe every year? If you do, maybe you want to make an extension payment with that extension voucher, that form 4868 that you send in. So, the due date to pay the tax is always April 15th. If you don't pay by April 15th, and you pay everything by October 15th, you will be paying interest on that balance due, and you will be paying failure to pay penalties. So if you want to keep failure to pay penalties and interest as low as possible or zero, then you want to make sure that you make an extension payment when you file that extension voucher, that form 4868.
Awesome, really good information, Andrew. So everybody out there, just remember, when it comes time, tax season again, and April 15th is approaching, don't worry. If you can't make it, you can always just file that extension. If you need any help with any of that, feel free to give us a call. Thanks.